To upload a video to your YouTube channel, follow these steps. Select Upload Video. Choose the video file you want to upload from your computer or drag and drop it into the upload area. While the video is uploading, add the title, description, and tags. This information will help viewers find your video on YouTube. Go to ChatGPT and write your topic keyword and click Generate. It will automatically give you a good quote. Copy and paste it from here to the YouTube video title space. After that you have to go to the chat again and you have to write the same title and get AI description of your video and copy and paste it in the place of video description. After that one has to go to GPT again and ask for the title by taking advantage of this AI tool. After that, copy and paste the video tags in the place A for that. Set your video privacy settings to public, unlisted, or private depending on who you want to be able to see your video. Once your video has finished uploading, you can add an end screen and cards to promote other videos or your channel, and choose a thumbnail image for your video. Finally, click the Publish button to make your video live on YouTube. That's it. Your video is now uploaded to your YouTube channel and ready for viewers to watch. Remember to promote your video on social media and other channels to increase its visibility and attract more viewers.